Hi, welcome to our technical drawing tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to focus on the construction of angles, more precisely a 30-degree angle. If you have any questions or concerns, you can direct them to AutoCADalive@gmail.com. The example in this question or in this exercise indicates that we are to construct a 30-degree angle at point B on line BC, and the line BC is 70 millimeters long. As customary, we draw our line BC, length of which is 70 millimeters, and we are going to label our line. We continue with our compass, at which point we are going to place it at point B. Again, our construction will require us to use a radius of our choice, a convenient one at that. Inscribe an arc from point B. The focus is more or less to have that arc drawn above and to intersect with your line BC. So above point B and intersect with your line BC. At that point of intersection, we label 1 using our same radius. We're going to inscribe another that will intersect our major arc at point 2. From our previous example, this construction gives us a 60-degree angle, and in order for us to obtain a 30-degree angle from there, we need to bisect that 60-degree angle. If you notice, the line passes through point 2, and the major arc also intersects the line that I will label X, XB at point 2. So in order for us to bisect that angle, we need a point, or rather 2 points, that intersect the angle from a major arc inscribed at point B. Alright, and these 2 points are 1 and 2. We are going to use point 1 as our center. You can keep the same radius or change it. I'm going to keep the same radius and inscribe our first arc from point 1, and center 2, we inscribe our second arc. These 2 arcs intersect at point 3, and we are going to draw our line through point 3 from point B, and that gives us our line AB. Hence the construction of our 30-degree angle ABC. Permit me to use another method that I find to be a lot quicker as well. And so I'll do it here. BC, 70 millimeters. Compass radius, anything of our choice. I'm going to keep the same radius. Major arc, point 1, point 2, and I'm going to extend that arc since I'm going to go back to point 1 to bisect the angle, and I'm going to go to point 2 to inscribe another to give us point 3. Label the points, of course, for the purpose of this video and the demonstration as well, so that persons can understand what's happening via the description. And our line drawn from point B through point 3. Again, the reason why this method works nicely for this angle is because the major arc, that common arc that intersects both sides of our angle, meets at point 2. Alright? So really we should, but it's not a need, it's not a necessity for us to draw that line through point 2 to obtain that common point of intersection with the common arc drawn from point B. So these are the two methods that can be used to construct a 30-degree angle. Thank you for viewing.